Location. Lots of reviews and members online data by guests to enjoy their stay.
Which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming